new series of the year, the Art Talk, and we have an eminent artist who doesn't need any introduction, Mr. G. Subramanian. And as you all know, Sneha Arts is the initiator of this particular initiative of the Art Talk, and Sneha Arts is one of the leading art galleries in South India. And Dr. Snehalata Prasad is the person behind this. She's a director and the art collector, and every year there are a lot of art event that happens. And since it's a pandemic, so the Art Talk is one of the gifts back to all the artists out there and all the art lovers out there. So thanks a lot, Mr. Subramanian, for joining in. People don't need any introduction. He is one of the person who's made a mark internationally for his art collage work, which is very different, very I would say very uncommon. Very few people are pretty famous in this particular activity. So we would like to know more about you, sir, and thanks a lot for joining here in this particular show.
Thanks, Ravi. I have been watching you with a lot of big personalities, and it is my, I'm really honored, to come to this talk. And Dr. Snehalata Prasad, thank you also for me to, give this opportunity to share my journey or whatever it is, from a remote village to Bangalore city, sitting here and talking to you. These are all, a big thing for us, especially the village, from the village background. These are all not easy, this one. So thank you, Ravi. So it's nice.
Our privilege. Honestly, we want to hear that particular journey, from village. What were your childhood memories out there? What do you still relish when you go back to those villages? I've seen a couple of pictures. You've still gone back to your villages, taken some snaps. You're still connected to your roots. So what are those childhood memories before you became an artist? We want to hear about Simple Subramaniam during his particular childhood.
Okay. Actually, we are, my father, he's a theater artist, actor. He was an actor. And we are eight children. We three brothers, two elder, and four elder sisters, one younger sister. So we are totally eight. It's a big family, actually.
Wow.
And village, it's a separate house. In between the paddy field, there is one house, like that. Our village is a coastal village, Tandankulam, the name, and it is a Nagapattinam district, Tamil Nadu, near Chidambaram temple, we can say. Okay, it is 12 kilometers. For us, Chidambaram is the main town. Anyway, and my father, actually, my childhood memory, what this one is, being seventh, and so many, girls after two, I am more pet to my father, actually. So wherever he goes for the play, I will also go with him. And he was acting female role, not male, because those days no lady will come, the whole night the play. Either Satya Harichandra, he will be Chandramadi, Ramayan, he will be Sita, like that. And he was having long hairs, more than my mother, actually. His hair is more than my mother. I remember, my mother used to, the sometime, after taking bath. So these things, the normal people, the daytime they were normal, and when the makeup, they put, and they become the character suddenly. Even they work in the field. They were all village people only, so they learn. Most of them are not educated also. So I remember the characters. I used to write me and my sister for them, and the dialogue we will deliver the same way. They will hear and they will act. This way. So many like that. So with the makeup and color and costumes, even in the house, there will be a big shed like thing. There, all the equipment they used to keep. So the practice will go on. So this atmosphere I remember still. And in the village, our house is something different. Even though they will criticize Kutadi Kurmo like that, in Tamil, Kutadi means, the performer like that.
Okay.
It is not a good word actually, but we will not take it, seriously. We will also, fun, after all, our own people, So these things maybe made me, to become color, the form, all the, the character, and this is what in my memory. And one incident when I was in fifth standard, our village only fifth standard, up to fifth standard. In our school opposite, there is one Kaliamman temple. And in the temple, every year there will be walking on fire, the Timidi Utsava,
Yeah.
walking on fire, they perform. So that place you can find more charcoals. So I took one evening. I came and the temple wall, white, nicely, painted for the festival, and I made characters, so many. I remember. Though the priest came and he was, caught,
Got you.
then he was shouting. My first standard teacher, Govindarajan Sodaganar, he used to sit very late only. He will go because he used to make some, the school works. He is good in drawing also. He's a nice person. He came, then he saw our, something happening. Then he said, "What happened?" Then he explained and so. Then he saw the drawing first time. I myself, little bit I remember. I'm not sure, but all these characters, so Kamsa, Krishna, like that, some faces. So he requested to the priest and don't remove this. Let it be there. When the rainy season comes, automatically it will go. Till then, the people, let them
Let
see
them
this,
enjoy.
like that. He made it. So this incident, I remember. This is what maybe the childhood memory.
So this is the
Then
first moment
my
when
interest started.
people outside your family came to know that there is an artist in you.
Yeah. Even my next day, somehow my father came to know, and he came with me all the way from my house to see that, and he appreciated. But the priest did not allow me to go that evening. The punishment is I have to bring 10 pots water to clean the area and inside the idol and all this. That is the punishment near pond. So I,
Yeah, there has to be some punishment. He
yes,
let you. There has to be
yes, yes,
for
yes.
letting you stay there and making you realize it is a mistake. I'm letting the art stay because of the teacher, but there has to be something.
Yes. He was happy. Otherwise he has to go. He's an old man. He has to go all the way from there to bring the, water. But he will bring only 2, 3 pot only. But he made me to bring more. So this is what. So this I remember. Then after fifth, the next village till eighth standard, I went there. There I used to make all the chart. All this, especially a teacher, lady teacher, Ramanujam, her name. She is very close to me, and whatever any chart, she will call me 1 hour before you come to my house. Then I will go. I will sit. She will give tiffin, to eat. Nice, mother and she only staying there in the house. Then I used to make everything, flowers and this and like that. Then final day of the eighth, we are leaving. One habit, everybody, they will ask you what you want to become, you
Hmm.
know. So one by one, a collector, one by one, they were saying like the teacher, police officer. When I stood, she told you will become artist only, sit like
Oh,
that.
you
So this is also one, incident.
you remember that.
Only remember this, yeah.
Super. Did you get a chance to play along with your father on the stage?
Yeah, yeah. Because we have to sing, we have to perform. It is not we have to learn singing also.
Hmm.
So that way I can sing also. Then I acted 2, 3 play in his one is Manmadan and one is Ayyappan and one is Krishna, like that. Yeah, I remember,
So
yes.
any dialogues you still remember from those days? Because memories you have to by heart during childhood. It's
Yeah,
not
but
by hearting.
those things, see, I still have the book of Krishna Vilasam. My father, his own handwriting, he is no more. And actually, his first play, 1942. Before that, he was acting. 1942, he became a director also.
Mhm.
Youngest director. He. This is the notebook. See this.
Wow. So this is what 50 years
See
old,
all the dialogues and everything is there, written there. Yeah, see
around 50
this.
years old, 50, 60 years old now. This book.
Yeah, more than that. Yeah, more than that. Yes,
Wow.
yes. So I didn't remember really the dialogue. Really, yeah. So after that, those songs, it is different songs, and then the film songs only I like to seeing some, any function, anything like that. Yeah,
Oh
that
my
is
God.
what.
So we'll get a chance to hear that, during the end of the show.
Sure.
Wow.
Just 2 lines, no problem. Yeah.
Okay. So, how did your parents react? Did they support, after you became, you big, after you started completing your school, uh, did the recognition that you're already an artist, did that save you that that, yeah, this will be an artist, like the teacher said, you'll be an
No,
artist anyway,
no, not
or you
me.
had to struggle?
Father, because he didn't study, so he want me to become a degree holder, no, BA, MA, like that. So this is what he was, insisting. But I'm not good in studies. So only the drawing, I used to make. So my drawing master already told after school, there is in Kumbakonam, there is luckily, one school of arts was there.
Hmm.
Now College of Arts. That time it was School of Arts, Chennai and Kumbakonam only. So he told me, and I prepared already. I went there and I saw two thoughts shed. That is the school. It's a municipal school, then turned to government school. So I prepared. When the result come, I passed SSLC with very very less mark, border mark.
Oh,
600, I think 700, 324 marks. Okay, so only maths I took high. So to collect the mark sheet, we came then to join the college also, for the PUC and degree, that college. So my father is for this only. Then we came and we collected the certificate. I saw the certificate book. It is very, very less. Then
so then he decided that, okay, arts
yeah.
is the only.
Then I told my father that the mark is not good, so I will go to this. Then he said, no, 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 we will go to the college. Then we went to the River Kaveri. The other side was the this one. Then the the office, the authority, he saw the mark sheet. He said, no, you cannot get the seat here. He said. Then my father, why? தம்பி ரொம்ப கம்மியா மார்க் வாங்கியிருக்கு. That means he scored very very less marks. At least 400 is enough. 400 necessary. So later you come, in case if you are not, get any this one, he can, like that he said. Then I told him because the School of Arts is nearby only.
Hmm.
It's walkable. Then I told there is one school for drawing. Then okay. Then after little, then we went and Seduraman sir was there. And he asked me, and did you pass or fail? Pass. Oh, pass. Very good. Because we took fail also. Fail also. Then he told me, and he said, okay, you buy one notebook. There is a YT shop in the corner. Make some pencil drawing. Then you come for the admission. And the
Yeah, that's
quality.
pre-qualification.
Monthly fees, monthly fees 2 rupees. 10 months fees per year. You can pay 20 rupees also, or 2 rupees also monthly you can pay. 2 months vacation, no fees. See, these are the, and government will provide materials also, drawing paper,
Oh.
color, everything. This was, so this is how I joined. Later, he liked it. My father liked it because I made some drawing, his portrait also. He said, okay, like that, yes.
Okay. Did any time, as a father, you generally have moments when you do things which it was not his expectations. Any time did he share after a couple of years after you became famous, that those heart to heart discussions saying that,
Yeah,
I thought you will disappoint me because and you said, you were the ladla one because everybody, you were the only son, and with the rest of sisters. So
yeah.
did that moment, what did he mention then?
Actually, he's very because I was staying in Kumbakonam, my sister's place actually. So only the holiday time I will go to my village. So that time we had a lot of buffaloes, cow and like that milk also. My father, that is the main business, because drama only the season, income.
Yeah.
So there is a one small river type, the canal, small, and inside both sides the grass, so this will be there, and the side we will sit, okay, with the umbrella. When it moves, we will move. So that time we had a lot of, talks. And because I was in the college and, I'm this one, then sometime I asked funny questions, why you married mother? Because I am like my mother, little dull color. Father is very fair.
Okay.
Some of the sister is fair. So why you married this lady? You are so good and you are a drama artist. I was asking him. You could find, a very pretty lady like that. Then he said, who said that she is not pretty? Black, dark complexion is beauty is nothing to do with the color. He was
It was
telling. But till that time, I was thinking the fair is the beauty like that. It is the film star and something like that. I used to think. So this type of something unusual, and I used to ask, did anybody love you like in the drama field? Yeah, there will be here and there. He he said like that. So these things, I cannot forget. So these are the and one time in the college, he came to see me, and he came in the bus from our village, 2-3 hours travel. Then he came to the college 3 o'clock around afternoon. He came without because in the village only dhoti, no shirt.
Hmm.
Shirt they will keep it and one towel like thing. So he forgot to wear the shirt. He is having the shirt.
Oh, Vivo.
From the bus stop he is walking because he want to see me in the college. Then some students he saw and he asked, "Where is Subramaniam? Is there?" Yeah, yeah, come, vanga, like that. And he came. And when he entered, I am seeing, hey, Supne, look who is here. Then I saw my father. So what first thing is, where is your shirt?
Yo.
Oh my God. My master, Muthusami sir, he came. No problem. Don't worry. Come, one. You know, no problem. You
That's
come. Like that,
that's
So
that's
this
respect.
incident, so yeah. Afterwards, he tried to wear, but master said it is a hot, doesn't matter. Let it be. So this, they are so innocent, and they are. So these things, very, very, I cannot forget that way. My
I
father.
really like the way the college also respected that, and
Yeah, this is it's,
this is good. This is really
it's good.
nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So when did you decide that you will take art as a full-time hobby? And all the viewers who are watching, art lovers who are watching this, feel free to, if you have a question that you want to ask, feel free to comment, and I'll ask Subramanian
Yeah,
while we are live. So thanks for watching, and yes, sir. So when did you decide that you will become an artist?
yeah, yes, Ravi. It's very, very, very interesting. Actually, I told I did my commercial art,
Hmm.
not painting, but only I made works to send the competitions. I don't know. Luckily, wherever I send, I win. Even seniors, maybe because of the collage medium, it's a very rare medium. So maybe that is the reason from Bangalore, Chitrakala Parishad, and from Coimbatore District Professional Artists Association, something like that. This was my hobby, like sending competitions. But when I but regularly I'm doing it. But full time means when I went to Saudi Arabia till 85, I was in Bangalore. Then I moved. I got a job. Actually, I got a government job in Bangalore, with a very merit basis, but there is no job. Defense ministry, no job, getting salary without doing anything. The village mentality. It is not good like that. So I, suitable place. Then I find Saudi Arabia. There is a designer post, and I went. So there also initially I don't know where is the art galleries, and because it is a very strict country, no, 85, not now it is okay.
Hmm.
Those times it is very, very strict country. It's a very strict Islamic country actually. I don't know, from office bus to the residence, come back. All bachelor quarters like that, not family also. Then after 9 years, I saw one Saudi Gazette newspaper that Saudi Aman won national level competition.
Hmm.
Then I participated. I won award, a gold medal. It's a 1 kilo solid gold medal. Then
Wow, pure gold. Okay, not not gold.
really, well, I don't know. Then a trip to Europe, 18 days, and that is something changed my entire when I visited Rome, Sistine Chapel, Michelangelo's ceilings, the wonders, and the Paris Louvre Museum, the Mona Lisa, where the Mona Lisa is there, and all the other works, and Musée d'Orsay, the impressionist masters work like Van Gogh, Gauguin, my favorite, all these. then that made me to become serious. So it was 96 actually. This has happened till 2003. I was somehow every 2 years the competition. I won three times, and one was GCC countries Binale Award.
Hmm.
So that also I won. Then I decided, no, this is great. Let us,
Let you.
at the age of 51, I returned to India, Bangalore. After 18 years, Saudi Arabia, Saudi, this one, I started. But unfortunately, it was not okay initially. No gallery is ready to receive me, So even there are some gallery, they don't want to see me even, Appointment. You have appointment, the assistant. No, okay.
My God.
Madam is busy, something like that. But I am adamant, But the company is very good company. Our company, the owner, Sheikh Marwan Abdul Latif, he called me personally, Subra, we don't want to, miss you, but still, we made a re-entry visa in the passport and 6 month valid return ticket, open ticket. So if you are not okay, you are not become a Picasso, come to Saudi Arabia. This is the exact word he told.
Super.
And then I was adamant. I wanted to become painter. So first thing I did is I throw the ticket, because if it is there, tempting, so that way. But luckily, I'm a little bit spiritual. When I lost my daughter, after that, I become a little bit spiritual. Ramana Maharishi's, the philosophy, Advait philosophy. I visited Ramana Ashram, all these, So I was sitting one day in front of, my Guru Ramana photograph, and my daughter photograph was there. And I was just thinking something, like Buddha, enlightenment, like why you are comparing, why you are going to the gallery, you improve yourself, where you are lacking, where you have to improve, that something like that. Then I started, I used to work acrylic work before, because to sell, like that, because collage nobody will buy. That is what my thinking.
Right.
One day I was sitting, and my son, he was a film editor. He was going to the studio practicing that time, apprentice like. He asked, Dad, everything is okay? I said, yes. But you are dull, no? Yeah. Dad, why don't you do your collage? He said. But collage, so Prabhu, who will buy? Dad, watercolor they are buying. He knows all art, crayon sketch they are buying. Why not? Collage. Said, beautiful medium. You won award for, 3 times Saudi art, all this for collage. This is the, I don't know, maybe he is my, God came through my son, maybe. Then I did. The next day, one buyer, her name is Bharti Chanana, she called me, and she said, Subra, you have any small work? My daughter came from London, Gayatri. She wanted to go, and she wanted to have some, small work. Yeah, please come. So I had other works also, but this collage also, one guitar girl, one small, this size there. When she entered, she saw that. Uncle, is that yours? Yes. I liked it. Can I take it? Yes. See, the first recognition, maybe something like that, from the Gayatri. And she gave me from her money 6,000 rupees. This was 2003, something like that. Okay. Then, if more, mommy will pay you. Like that, she said. I said, no, this is enough. You are my God. No problem, you take. So this is the thing, the starting. So later, when started selling, the name will spread. They don't know Subra, who is this guy, but the name they know. This is Subra's work. This is Subra's Krishna. This is like that. Then the gallery started calling me, and I was happy. I'm not upset. This is, I took in a different way. So now I proved myself, to the galleries that I can do that. Then happily I went to the galleries. I gave them, and they sold, and still they are my great friends, Ravi. This is what.
Super. So all the friends who've not seen, Subra sir's art, okay, here is a short video of his collection, and also his journey during the entire period. How he was enjoying the art journey. So here is a quick video. super collection, super artwork.
That's good. That's
So
good.
yeah, it's awesome.
Oh,
So I was really focusing on one of the art which had a lot of gold coins in it. So was this inspiration from the gold achievement which you had, or was
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I don't. Maybe it's a Lakshmi.
yeah,
It is
I
something like
think
that.
it's Lakshmi. Yeah, Lakshmi.
I think so. Yeah. I think even here I have one Lakshmi also. I just recently made
Wow,
because she's giving gold. She's giving gold, like that, something like that. Yes, maybe, yeah.
superb. So, how did you develop this particular art of collage? Because this was not famous, this was not there, this was not recognized. So, what efforts it made? I mean, we heard the starting journey when one of your friend bought it, uh, but after that, what are the efforts you had to
Yeah,
make to make this
it is
painting?
very interesting, Ravi. You just asked very nicely. The when okay when so okay, this I did. Then I was doing it through known people, through known her friends, and these they are seeing, and she told everybody like that. They just called me and some doctors. These are all small works, 5,000. Even 3,000. One small I did because that time I don't know how to make it bigger also. So this is this she is the recent one. See, the smallest 5 by 7 inch. Yeah, one okay. So that time, so that is I don't know. That is my time. I don't know. It is all God's wish. The one Namrata, started a gallery. Actually, who is she? The famous scientist Sir C.V. Raman.
Mm-hmm.
Sir C.V. Raman grandson Vivek, Sir C.V. Raman's son Radhakrishnan married a French lady, Domini, and she is my friend. She used to buy, work like that. And this Bharat Chanana, and they are friends. And their son and daughter-in-law, Namrata, they were in US that time. These people, they don't like, only son, in US and like that. So they want them back to Bangalore. So they came, and the Vivek is the designer, industrial designer. So, and they are art interested people, art collectors like that. So they wanted to start a gallery. See,
Okay.
I came 2003, 2004, they are starting the gallery. And, they called me, Dominic and Subra, my son, daughter-in-law, is want to start a gallery, Kinkini Gallery, the name. She wanted to come and meet it. Yeah, okay. So she came, a short, girl with this one, and we will. I really surprised that she's a married girl like that. So cute. And her mother also came with her, and they came and they took two of my Ganeshas for the inaugural show. It is a group show. All the leading artists are S.D. Vasudev, Paresh Asra, all the JMS Mani, and all the names are like that. And my work also. The puja was there around 11 o'clock. After that, I was returning. Off the way, Namrita, she called me my phone, and I said, "Yes, Subra, congratulations, happy news. But your two Ganeshas we sold, and for our gallery, that is the first sale." So, after that, we become, always, we compliment each other like that. This is a lucky gallery for me. She will say, he is our lucky artist, like that. So, first, after that, after a few months, first solo show they arranged. This was so Subra 04.
Wow. So
Yeah,
that's
this is
that's
the gallery
Krishna.
logo. Yeah, Kinkini Gallery. This is the Krishna. And this catalog, see, these are all small, small works, all. So see, this was the this one, and this catalog designed by Vivek himself, her husband, and he made a film also, documentary, a small documentary, 14 minutes, Subra 04. Still, it is in the YouTube also. I know it was shown. Uh, it is something I cannot imagine the opening. It was 1 month duration, 30 works. She sold all the 30 works. Okay, one day she sent a message that Subra, come for the payment, bring a bag.
Oh my God.
I was laughing. I don't have car that time. I went to auto. I was also laughing and I went there, and she's sitting there. Subra, where is the bag? When I entered, I said, what? You are joking? No, what? Then how you carry this bundle, all cash,
Oh my God.
showing? Really, I was in tears. The recognition. You see, I believed on me, my art. This is what, honestly speaking. But within a year, this happened. It is something. I cannot forget.
It's all about the right synergies. I think you have to just meet, and God makes
I
that happen. That He connects you
Yes,
at the right time, the right people.
yes,
So that
yes.
these synergies, you know,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even Ravi, the bigger work also, because of her only I started. One buyer from Hyderabad, Hyderabad, a lady, she called and she saw my small Krishna. She said, can you make a life size Krishna ball like 4 feet, 3 feet like that? She asked. Then the Namu called me and she said, Subra, can you make? No, impossible. How I will make? Where I will get the material? National Geography will not have such a big. Then night, I was thinking. I saw in one magazine a center spread, underwater, the blue. So I was imagining this is the face. That means other things all maybe we can make it. Next day morning, first thing I made. And that time, no WhatsApp,
uh,
the phone, mobile. I myself took. I called her and I said, I made it. You wanted to see? Yeah, yeah, please bring. So I took. Then she saw. She called her and she said, yes, he made it. And this is the size, 38 or something like that inches. She said, yeah, I'm buying. Without seeing her, I know how it will be. I believe that I'm buying. Okay, straight away. So this is how the bigger size also. And another one more thing I want to tell about my framer.
mhm.
I used to paste by hand, Fevicol and these and bubbles and these. One day, my framer Anand, he told, "Sir, why don't you use roller to paste?" What roller? Sir, rubber roller. It will be easy, sir. Like that, he said. Then I was next day from Balepet, all the way from there by scooter. He bought one, gave me as a gift. Still, I am using, even
Yeah,
now.
there is one photograph with that roller, the red one.
Sure.
So, this is one thing, Hyderabad, people who come to Hyderabad and, settle here, we all believe in life size, anything life size, something
Like,
which is,
yeah, I know, I know. Yeah, I have
common,
a friend.
we don't
I have
accept
a
everything
friend.
has to be king size, it has to be large, it has to be something which no other people have. Like, it's a typical
Yes,
Assami style.
yes, yes. Even Ravi, one of my first buyer when I
Mhm.
did my show in Vinyasa, Srimani Rao from Hyderabad one day, Jubilee Hills. She's staying. Still, she's my friend. She came and saw the show in Chennai, Vinyasa Gallery, and she was from Isha Foundation, Coimbatore. The Jaggi was this. After prayer, she saw in the newspaper, and she was rushing. So it was September 11th, 2003. The show that was not collaja, that was my acrylic series. So she took my number. After 1 month, she called me and she came to my house and she bought
Okay.
or 1,04,000 rupees painting. I cannot forget. She's my very good friend in living in Hyderabad, Jubilee Hills, Simoni Rao. So
These are instances where you got complimented, your art got sold. But were there instances where people were like, who will buy this? This is not art. This is just you've been pasting stuff. So those critics, did you face all that? Because
yes.
collage was not common.
How you
It's
know this?
either
How you
water.
know, Ravi? It is very interesting, Ravi. It happened once. See, there was a display in Kenkini Gallery. It's a group show, and my work, two ladies, old. They're old. They're my friends now. Okay, they're old. I was, just seeing, and one lady bought one. I think one violinist or something like that. One girl, like that. She bought. The other lady is asking, "You bought this? Yeah, it's a paper. How many years it will stay? How long it will?" Then she replied, she asked her, "How many years you are going to stay in this world? We are already so till that time we will see this and we will die. No problem." Like that. That I was hearing. Then I went nearby. I said, "I'm the artist. You have any this one?" No, no, no. This is just fun we made. No, no. But still, it is serious. Then I explained the same doubt I had. Then in Chitrakala Parishad, there is a restoration department is there. You
Mm-hmm.
know, one work I gave it to them. This is also suggested by one of my friend. You just make a aging test or something like that. Then they tested, and they said the National Geographic magazine what I am using, the ink what they are using is a permanent ink, better than the oil tube colors. So because this is like it is not a magazine, it is like a book, they keep
True.
for the reference. So it will not fade. It is, but they should not expose on the sunlight. Only one advice you give. Otherwise, it is
It will never fade.
100 years life. Like that something they told. So that way, I myself, satisfied. I can strongly, I
So
can
this
continue.
area of questioning is taken care of. So you had this
Yes, yes.
super. Any specific reason? Some of your creatives are like related to a doll. Krishna, Ganesha, everything related to a baby. Is this related to your daughter whom you lost, or
Yes.
what was the reason behind that?
Yes, Ravi. Actually, her name is Surya. She died. She was 9 years old. Diagnosed cancer.
Too young.
Uh,
Too young.
yeah, and we were in Saudi Arabia at that time. And actually, he used to sit in a window near window, and opposite side there was a tree. Daily around 11:30, one bird, yellow bird, will come and sit there, and they have conversation. This I didn't know. My wife noticed, and one day she told me this is happening. Then one Friday holiday, I was waiting whether this is happening or not. Exactly, that bird came and playing here and there, and she is telling something, and then after that go. So this was in my memory after the loss when I. Then after she died, we were there, and with the very the pain, what was. So my friends, mostly Malayali friends, in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, they said we will send our kids. You teach them. Then they sent Friday full day. All in our apartment, full kids. We will keep a fruit juice, not Pepsi Coca, only fruit juice. My wife is very particular, and chocolate, some nice things, and bread and this. They will just enjoy here and there. So, in fact, what happened is instead of teaching, I learned from them. Their simplified drawing. Otherwise, I used to make my drawing is very, very, very serious drawing actually. I will show you some of the.
Older
It is,
drawings.
yeah, it is all. Mm, uh, okay, it is okay. Anyway, see, like this, some detailed drawing. See that
Okay. Yeah.
this is how
Pretty
I used to
serious.
make.
Pretty serious than
Yeah,
the other
yeah.
pictures you have.
See.
Hmm.
Okay, so these are all the initial thing. Then when I started collage, the girl series only I did first. You noticed, in my girl series work, you will. It is a very simple. There is no anatomy. See, there is simple. There is no anatomy. Very like a design, like even basically I am a designer. So so this way, but this looks very opt. So this is also another reason. Immediately this one, and one thing is the expression. Whether it is a happy or it is like a meditation mood or divine mood. This came. I think in collage, no artist achieved this. They make something, some abstract form or whatever they did, even Satish Gujarat and all they did. But in the figurative form, I think, I could do something, maybe thinking my daughter all the time. When I work, she's in the mind. Maybe hours I can sit because I'm, with her I am working, so she is with me. This is what psychologically maybe.
Yeah.
So even now, this is how the life goes, Ravi. Yeah.
Yeah. So we can see the cute picture of your daughter behind you. So is she?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Three girls, two
No,
girls,
the
three
other
girls.
the other side.
Whatever.
The other side
Yeah.
we have a small picture. Is that her?
Yeah. Yeah. No, this is my granddaughter.
Okay, okay.
Actually, this is also very very interesting. I wanted to share with you.
Please.
So my son and daughter, only son, So son got married. Then after 1 year, 2 year, I was asking, what happened? Why? I want a baby, girl
Hmm.
baby in the house. Then they said, no, no, no. We are thinking, we are planning. The modern couple. Then after 3 years, one day, my daughter-in-law she said, Mama, they were going to the hospital, so some checkup. Then they came with sweet, and they said, I'm confirmed like that. Okay, good, but you have to give me a girl. This is the she said, how come? Even everyone was laughing. How come? We don't know, we cannot predict now. No, 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 whatever, you have to give me a girl, finished, like that I said. So they didn't check also, and it was the baby is growing, and this one day it was August 26th, Mother Teresa's birthday. The calendar, I removed and I saw Mother Teresa's, and she said pain, and they went with my wife hospital. I was in the house. So my wife said, bring some old cloth and something. You come to the hospital. I went there. After that, doctor came. We were all waiting. It's a girl. She's the,
Super cute.
Before that, I kept the name also. I already wrote Adya because 2A I want. So that way, Adya, I kept the name also. So then Adya, now she is 6, 7 years older. She is my company now.
Super.
Maybe you might have seen in the photograph sometime in
Yes.
that. Yeah.
So, any specific reason, most of your arts do not have an eyeball. So you have an eye, you have an eyelid, but there is no
Yeah.
eyeball highlighted anywhere. Any specific reason for that?
Only the Ganesha, I use the camera lens cut and two side. Only in the Ganesha work. Other than that, what I want, this also maybe with the Advaita philosophy, the meditation. When you close your eyes, you can see infinite. Your vision will be, you know, thousands of miles. But when you open, it is everything is
Limited.
closed. It is blocking. Something like that. And for my subject also, it helps. So when you close, you will see them. When they are meditating, you can see them. When they open, you cannot face. Sometimes the eye, you cannot eye to eye. You cannot. It's a very difficult to face eye to eye. Maybe I don't know, but I liked it. The closed eye. Even when it is closed, there is a highlight white. These are all as a work of art. So this all helps. These are the extra light and all this. So it gives good feeling in the face.
And it's slowly your signature style also now.
Also, no, yes, accepted. Yes,
Yeah, and one of the photographs I saw, your eyeball was also like almost not visible. So I think maybe that's in the way your eyes are also placed. One of the
maybe,
photographs.
maybe, I don't know. Yes, maybe, maybe, yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Okay. So when did you start getting into sculpturing? So
Yeah, actually, sculpture in our art college, art college when we joined 5 years course, first 2 years we have all the subject. Painting, commercial art, sculpture, weaving, all these were there. So since my village, there was one Ayyanar temple, you can see huge terracotta horses. We used to go there and play in the daytime. Big, big horses. So my first project, this photograph is not very clear, but still you can. My first project is that terracotta horse only. So yes, yeah. See, you can see this. You can see this is my first year college.
wow,
Yeah,
a bit
yeah,
towards the other side. We
yeah.
could
See,
only see the center of the page.
yeah,
Yeah,
this one.
yeah, this one. Yeah,
Yeah,
this is clear.
this is the terracotta horse. I was with dhoti. Second year only I started, a pant. Asked my father to buy. So this is second year. So the sculpture I was interested. Then our principal and our sculpture instructor, Mr. Vidyashankar Sabadi, famous sculptors actually. My principal Dhanapal was a famous sculptor. So they suggested why don't you take sculpture as a main? Then I said, no, 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 I will take commercial art because I want to earn money. I have to take my the land, for my education. My father sold some of the property that I have to take it back. So, like that,
That was the
that time thinking. But later, the interest, is increased. I will be surprised seeing this work, that work, and this and this. Finally, 2018, I was in Delhi, Noida, the Easter Stories Gallery for a camp. You interviewed Singapore artist Jnana Dika.
Yes.
He came, and when we were in the lunchtime, he was just suggesting, Anna, why don't you do your collage sculpture, bronze? The girls will be very nice. Then I said, yeah, I can do, but how? It is a process, but I like only bronze casting, not something else. No problem. Don't worry. We will do it. He said, same way, next year, 2019, the first month or something, this February or something, he called me one day, Anna, I am coming to Swami Malai, where the traditional artisans are living. Tradition means 1,000 years heritage from Chola period, the
Wow.
bronze Nataraja. That family, that because the Swami Malai, the Kaveri river, there is a special mud is useful for the lost wax method, something like that. So they were there. That place, we went there. I was staying 1 week, doing my what is that? With the clay first. Yes.
Wow.
Working in the clay, and then wax. See these are all clay models, clay works. Then with the wax casting, this catalog are actually specially made
To showcase the journey of.
This is specially made, the front and back of this two sculptures, front and back, front and back of the singer. Ravi, I am so fortunate. This sculpture launched in Berlin, Germany, where Tagore Center, Indian Embassy.
Wow.
We were invited for a special exhibition, 150 years of Mahatma Gandhi, birth, this one, celebration. That time, these two sculptures were ready. I took, it was launched, this catalog made specially for that. And she's the Deepa Sitaram, the curator, and Prajwala from the US. She's written the article specially, and she lives in US. I called her and said, I want a write-up from you. No problems, bro. I will call you 9 o'clock night. She called me. She was asking me so many questions. Then I said, Prajwala, you just close. I will call you because the bill will be heavy. Don't worry, Subra, my husband will pay. So the interview around 45 minutes, something like that, So this was something
memorable for you.
Yes, sculpture. Now it is well received. Even the Mahatma Gandhi theme, I made this sculpture also. And there is a heavy demand, but still I did not, sell these, so I just kept away.
So it's a cutest way of, telling it, because the older version is monkeys. So this is a cutest way of still, the message.
Yes. Yeah, you're right.
Really
yes.
Beautiful. So
yes.
Can you also talk about the recent exhibition experience which you had, which gave you an opportunity to showcase your collage?
Actually, this year I did not do because of, the 2020. But 2019, we had me and Jnana, we had a important cities show. This is Divine Intervention. This is actually it is a two-man show. Myself and Jnana Dika.
Okay.
This is Jnana Dika and myself. This photograph taken in Berlin. Okay, so and some of the very interesting works also in the catalog. It is a set of my sculptures, and some of the yeah yeah some of the collages. And this exhibition in four cities, starting from Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, and Mumbai. Mumbai in 2000 January 12th or something like that. The film artist Kajal Agarwal, she was the guest for that. And we almost sold all the work, the Studio 3, and it was in Jahangir Art Gallery in Mumbai, the famous Jahangir. It was a nice show, very successful show. So actually, I was thinking to take rest, the last year after hectic program in 2019. I think I told you that I got a fellowship award from London, the Kalaimayam. I went there. From there, I went to Edinburgh, Scotland. When I went there, that time there was a temporary exhibition was going on, 400 years of collage.
Wow.
So this is the very, very, lucky opportunity. Actually, he just started 3 days, before, and after 4 or 5 days, it is closing. Then the curator, I introduced myself. I am also a collage artist. You came from India all the way to see this work? No. I came to London. Just like that, I came just to visit. But luckily, I am seeing. Then he asked, "Can you have your work just to see?" Then I had one catalog. I,
Present.
this catalog. So this is full of my works. See all. So I gave, and he said, "Sign and give. We will keep it in our library." So I signed and gave. Okay, yeah, this was when 15/10/2019. Okay, October 15th. See the photograph. Yeah. So this is these are all
These are accidental coincidences.
Yeah, we can say, yeah, that was one important. And in that show, almost all the artists tried collage, right from Picasso, Matisse, almost all are there. Small size, wooden, metal, paper, all was there. It was a wonderful exhibition for me, especially. Yes.
So, how is the market, Subraji, in India for collage? Or is it only patented by Subra right now?
I think so. I think
You're the only one right now.
There are some artists tried. I don't want to name them, Chennai and even Bangalore. But the remark, immediately they were saying, "Why you are copying Subra? He's already doing it. No, why you? We will take from him. Don't." So this way, they were not, happy, and they told me also. Then they didn't try, but some of them are tried the same way, acrylic, painting like that they tried. Like Vaikuntham, they are trying, so many, so like that they tried. I think my works are moving, Ravi. In fact, there is one thing I want to tell you, something very. In my daughter name, we have one Surya Educational Trust.
Yeah, I was about to ask you that. Now you're famous, so what is that you're, what is that you're doing? However, you're giving back to the society. So
yes, exactly, yeah. Because I don't want to be a selfish, and we have to limit our desires. Somewhere we have to see. Otherwise, today I have this car, I want the other car. This house, other. No, this is okay. This is okay. Comfortable, comfort zone. We will struggle once you are comfort. You have to think something else, not adding many things. So you will lose your happiness. These are all. My father used to say, "Be simple. Don't be a poor. Be simple, not too poor." Like that, he will say always. Then, so we started one. Main thing is the first thing what I did. I want a high school in our village. So we tried, the collector, Tanjavur collector, and we sent it this one. And, it was not okay, like that. Then we asked the collector, "What is the problem? Why you are not sanctioning?" Then he said, "You show the land at least. we will get where, nowhere, you just, there is a land, come, you give money for the building, like that. Then our Surya Educational Trust bought a land, and we applied, in Jayalalitha CM that time, 3 crores sanctioned.
Super.
Now, high school is standing, a big high school in our village. And, but anyway, before that, we started the first rank students cash award, in the name of Surya, educational trust and something like that. We were doing some poor, helping tuition, that, this, so many things, mainly the girl child, like that. But this high school, something, we really, something we are doing. And now we have one art foundation, Surya Art Foundation, and we are buying works from the upcoming junior artists, and those who are poor, we are giving materials, and then we are planning to arrange shows for them. These are all the
Wow.
things.
Superb, superb. Yeah.
Yeah, thank
His
you.
way of giving back to the society in the
Yeah,
name of your
really.
daughter.
So happy.
Sure,
So happy.
this
So
will
happy.
last much more. I mean, it's got there's I mean, it's like immortal seed that you have seeded. So this will go on forever. So
It is even it's a very one of my friend, he's a German guy. He lives in Goa.
mhm.
He's having a gallery. He married a Goan artist, Yolanda D'Souza, and Rudolph, his name. Art Chamber, the gallery. Once he read somewhere my charity activity, something like that. No, the Concern India Foundation. Every year I donate work, something. Then he asked me, Subra, do you continue the same, what you are? Yes, 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 of course. Okay, good. In German, there is a proverb. When you give through window, you will receive from the door. You know, he said like this. Then I said, okay, anyway, it is good. He
That's a good
said
one,
this. There
and
is a
that is
German
true.
proverb, something like that. I don't know. It is, maybe that is the reason the work selling also. I think so. I think so. Yeah. I think so. Yeah.
Superb. Yeah, I agree with that particular proverb, and I wish you
Really,
all the
really.
best with all the initiatives that you're taking, all the
Yeah.
your art, and thanks for inspiring, because this is one art which is uncommon, and you're sitting Indian flag high internationally. So I wish all the people. I thank all the art lovers who are watching this particular show. Any suggestions for the new artists, budding artists? Uh,
Yeah, of
before we
course. Actually, I used to talk. Many will call me because they are seeing all the time Facebook. I will put this, that, anything, because just to inspire. All let others see that it is not showing myself. I appreciate others' work also. Whoever, somewhere, one Parul from Chandigarh, I call her and I will say, I saw the work, and then I will just put in my Facebook and something like that. They see the main question they will ask. Even yesterday evening, one guy called me from Tanjavur and, sir, how to sell, sir? Like that, I said, this is not vegetable. This is good. You buy. They have to buy the work. We cannot sell. Main thing is the presentation is very important, and some uniqueness is very, very important. Some uniqueness. And nowadays, what, they want to be very fast. They want to do 10 works, all the 10 they have to sell, or they have to win all the awards and these. It is a big, it's a big journey. It is not that easy, and we cannot calculate also. Oh, this way I try, and it is not a marketing strategy or something like that. It is something from you to soul. Like that. What you think. And one thing I always say is, if any work, if you see, you will buy that. Suppose your painting is displayed, when you look at it, you will buy that. If yes, people will buy. If something is lacking, if you are not satisfied, the same, so you have to make it. And framing, especially, for me, the framing is very, very important for me. I spend a lot of money for the framing, because the presentation, being a designer, we know how to sell the product, the product packaging designs. So something like that. This also we have to present very nicely. Yeah. So even a small drawing, I used to see. This is one of my erotic series drawing.
Mhm.
It is just a pen drawing. See the frame, see.
Yeah,
It's very,
the
very,
classic.
yeah, very nicely you have to present, this is how. So this is very, very important for the, the younger generation. And mainly what they are doing, they will see this Vaikuntham, all this, and they will create one. It will never work that way. So you should know the basic drawing. Practice even daily. I practice drawing here. First thing I will come, I will make the drawing only first. Even when I travel, I will keep like this book. See, like this. See the drawings. See, tiny drawing.
Okay.
Yeah, I used to, even for my sculpture, I used to practice. 3D like that. I used to practice. So this is more important actually. The practice drawing. Suddenly you will get doubt. How, suppose the hand, if it is like that, how it will be? You have to see, you have to refer, you have to practice. So this way, the drawing is clear means you can simplify. You can make, something like that. Yeah.
Super. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for joining on this particular show and spending time and sharing your journey, your personal life, and your art journey, how you scaled up, and also sharing the insights as to how to sell. This is very important for the artists here. And I would like to thank Sneha ji for giving this opportunity where I could meet eminent artists like you on this particular show. And yep, thank you, viewers. So
Thanks, Ravi. Thank you, Sneha.
yeah, thank
Namaskar.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
viewers.
Ravi.
Have a
Thank you, Ravi.
great evening.
Yeah, thank you.
God bless.